Okay, today I've got a Whirlpool French door with bottom freezer refrigerator. It's 29 cubic feet, so it's a pretty good size. I'll have all the description and dimensions and all that in the listing, the ad here. Just kind of show you all this lines up. Everything here works. Ice maker, water dispenser, all that's been verified. Everything on it works great. I don't actually have it hooked up to water out here in the garage, but had it hooked up and made sure that everything worked. Let it produce a full bucket of ice. All that's good to go. The ice maker's on the inside here. It's in the door, which is great for saving space. You can see everything is nice and clean. Just go ahead and show you the inside. While we're doing this, I'll show you the temperature. Got my temperature gun here. Before we fan these doors too much. So across the board here varies a little bit, and the longer we have these doors open, the warmer it's going to get. But you can see 35 is about perfect for where you'd want it to be. And these drawers and stuff down here have different settings depending on what you have in there. It's got little pictures and all that. And everything pulls out. Everything's in excellent shape. So there's that. All the shelves, you can see everything's been cleaned top to bottom. Of course, the most important thing is knowing that everything works good on it. Then I'll pull out this freezer here and show you that as well. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 drawers on the freezer. Plenty of space. This big bucket on the bottom, but I'll show you that here. Like I said before, we warm things up too much. Nice and cold. Grab some pictures for the ad there. And there's no dents or dings or anything like that all the way around. Looks great. It's in excellent shape. Could probably use a little bit of scrub down. I just have Windex, but there is a stainless steel cleaner you can get that takes the streaks and fingerprints and all that off. But that's pretty much it. I just like to do these videos so that you know everything works like it's supposed to. When you get it home, plug it in, you know that it's going to work, and that's how I like to shop. So that's how I like to sell my stuff. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can reach me through Messenger. That's the best way to get me, just there on Facebook. So I do appreciate you watching this video. Have a great day. Thanks.